Register number 162676. The case of Republic of the Philippines versus Cagandahan.
Order in the court. We're here today to hear the case between the plaintiff, Mr. Miss Cagandahan, and the defendant, the Republic. Let's proceed.
Your Honor, my client, Mr. Miss Cagandahan, is seeking a legal recognition of her gender identity. He was assigned female at birth, but identifies as male. He has undergone medical procedures and has lived as a male for years. We are requesting a legal change of gender of her birth certificate. To prove her claim, respondent testified and presented the testimony.
Prosecution, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. I call the stand, Dr. Michael Sholdon. Dito ba?
Raise your hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do. I'm Dr. Michael Johnson of the Department of Psychiatry, University of the Philippines, from PGH. Jennifer Cagandahan developed as secondary male characteristics and was diagnosed to have congenital adrenal hyperplasia, which is a condition where person thus possesses both male and female characteristics. She further alleged that she was diagnosed to have clitoral hypertrophy in her early years and stage 6.
Your Honor, the Republic understands the plaintiff's situation, but we believe that current laws do not allow for a change of gender on the birth certificate. The assigned gender on the birth certificate is based on biological factors at birth, and changing it would go against the established legal framework.
Your Honor, I understand the current law, but my gender identity is integral part of who I am. I have undergone hormone replacement therapy and other necessary medical procedures to align my physical appearance with my gender identity. However, my birth certificate still represents who I am, causing difficulties and discrimination of various aspects of my life.
Thank you for your statements. Now, let's hear the defendant's argument.
Your Honor, we sympathize with the plaintiff's situation, but we must consider the legal implication of changing the birth certificate. Birth certificate serves as legal documents and used for various purposes, such as identification and record keeping. Changing the assigned gender could lead to confusion and potential fraud.
I understand both sides of the argument. This case raises important questions about the recognition of gender identity and the legal implications of changing birth certificates. I need some time to review the relevant laws and precedents before making a decision.
The court decision is favor of Jennifer. So the court is allowed to Jennifer to change her name to Jennifer to Jeff, to female to male.
So, this is a follow-up story of Jennifer Cagandahan versus Republic of the Philippines. So, Jennifer Cagandahan, at the age of 6, her ultrasound revealed that she has a small ovaries. So, Jennifer was 13 years old. Tests showed that her ovarian structures had minimized, that her breast did not develop, and she did not a menstrual cycle. Jennifer was diagnosed to have congenital adrenal hyperplasia, also known as CAH, for both male and female characteristics. So in 2003, when she was around 22 years old, Jennifer filed a petition at the Regional Trial Court in Laguna to have birth certificate.
But the OSG argues the petition is defective because Jennifer did not comply with Rules 103 and 108. Rules of the court, the OSG contends that the petition below is fatally defective for non-compliance with Rules 103 and 108 of the Rules of Court. Because while the local civil registrar is an indispensable party, if a petition for cancellation or correction is entered under Section 3, Rule 108 of the Rules of Court, respondent's petition before the court and could not imply the local civil register that the OSG further contends respondent's petition is fatally defective since it failed to state that respondent is a bona fide resident of the province where that petition was paid for at least 3 years or prior the date of such filing as mandated under Section 2B Rule 103 of the Rules of Court 6. The OSG argues that Rule 108 does not allow change of her sex or gender in the birth certificate, and the respondent claimed medical condition known as CAH does not make her a male.